Alright guys, we have a 2002 Seadoo RXP. Not sure, I think it's like a 900 cc 951. I think that's what these are, 3-cylinder. Pretty cool. We just did a jet pump rebuild. See, nice. Fresh impeller. New air ring. It's pretty cool. Gonna have should have top-notch propulsion. Then on top of it, service manual calls for 100-hour rebuild on the Supercharger, and these actually had a recall, and the reason for that is because the ceramic bearings that are on the compressor wheel shaft will actually fail and get sucked in through the intake and into your motor and cause the engine to fail. So we actually got an upgrade rebuild kit. This is pretty much what the rebuild kit consists of. It's made by SBT for the Seadoo Vortex Superchargers. See some of the parts right here. Alright, and there is a difference. You just got to make sure there are different wheels for the ratio for how fast the Supercharger spins in relation to the crankshaft speed. You want to make sure you put the correct wheel at the same amount of teeth as the one that came out of your Supercharger. And there is some like tools that you need, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into this and see what happens.